Did you know that you can actually buy silver and get paid dividends off it every month?
Boy, what the hell you smoking? Because whatever it is, I want some. Shoot, getting dividends off silver. Hey, that must be some good stuff you're smoking, man. Let me get some, man.
No, I'm serious. I mean, you can seriously buy silver and get paid dividends.
All right now, Eli. Right now, you're reaching. Just tell your audience you ran out of topics to talk about and now you're going to lie to them.
No, I am serious. You can actually get paid dividends off buying silver. And matter of fact, let me show you because we're starting now. Thank you guys so much for watching another video from Urban Lifestyle. My name is Eli. This is a community over 8,000 strong. If you guys would like to help support that community, you guys can help out by leaving a subscribe, leaving a comment, leaving a thumbs up. Find me on my social media platform, Urban Lifestyle 1989. And don't forget to hit that notification icon so you guys get future notifications of my future videos. All right, holding that smoke in. Okay. All right. And if you guys do decide to join this community, I sincerely want to say thank you in advance. Question of the day. Did you guys know that you guys can get paid dividends off silver? Comment down below. Let me know some of your thoughts. So yeah, I was going across, matter of fact, it's not even my idea. I came across a channel, Silver Butcher. He was talking about this and I was like, oh wow, that's amazing. I would never do it, but that's amazing. So I believe I want to bring this information out to you guys. But it is a company called westhillscapital.com. If you go there, and the links are also in the description below. I'm not saying for you guys to do it. I'm just saying, hey, if you guys want to check it out and see more information for yourself. But for you to actually get paid dividends off your silver, you would have to actually invest minimum $19,000. And with $19,000, they say you would own 1,040 ounces of silver, and it would be $10.40 that you would make every month. With almost a $20,000 investment. But not that much people have $20,000 just lying around there, do they? All right, but let's keep going. If you invest $39,000, you would get 2,136 ounces of silver, and that would yield you about $42.72 every month if you were to invest that with that company. Now, if you were to invest $60,000, that would be 3,287 ounces of silver, and you would get $98.61 each and every month. But let's go even further. If you were to invest $100,000 into silver, you would have 5,505 ounces of silver, and you would get $275.25 a month. But let's take it even beyond that. Let's go. If you would have $500,000 to invest in silver with this company, West Hills Capital, you would actually have 364 ounces of silver, and that would give you $2,736.40 a month. But you would have to invest over $500K to actually make $2,736.40 each and every month. Now, a little bit of background of what I'm talking about here. Now, the only silver you can actually invest with this company is American Silver Eagle, and they actually put it into a Roth IRA or a 401k, and you get paid that much a month. Now, you can take that money and reinvest it into more silver with the company and get more and more and more. And on paper, it looks good. It looks real good. On paper, it looks great, amazing even. Now, that sounds all fine and dandy, but let's talk about some of the benefits that this company offers, all right? So the company stated on its website that there's no monthly fee. So that's great. That's awesome. No monthly fee. You don't have to pay nothing for them to actually store your silver for you and actually pay you. Next one is no minimum terms, which means you can just start buying right now. You don't have to actually have a minimum, even though there is a minimum for you to actually start making income, but there's no minimum for them to actually store you. There's nothing that says, hey, every month you actually have to put, after your initial 20,000, you actually have to put an additional 20,000 every month. No, you don't have to do that. Also, buy or sell anytime, which means you can buy or sell anytime. If you have $100,000 in this company and you're like, you know what? I need $50,000. I'll sell half of my investments in silver and you'll get your $50,000 back. All right. Now, the next one is no contracts, no obligations. You don't have to sign no contracts. Matter of fact, there's nothing you have to do. You can just hold it in there and not do nothing there and just forget about it. You have no obligations. And best of all, you have no contract. All right. Next one is never pay an IRA fee again. So with a traditional IRA or with a traditional 401k, there are hidden fees that maybe some people know about and some people don't know about. But this company is saying that you buy the silver and you're not paying any fees. I'm guessing they're getting their fees in the premiums they actually charge you, right? Anyways, preserve your wealth. We all know if you're buying silver, you're preserving your wealth. But it raises a different question when you're buying and you don't have the physical silver at your hands. All right. Next one is grow your investment with physical silver. All right. This is physical silver, even though it's paperly owned silver, because it shows you that, hey, this is how much you have. But yeah, there's a physical silver out there with your name on it. Next one is collect your monthly income check. Collect your monthly income check. That's the best thing right there. I told you, if you have $500,000 to invest and you invest it all in silver, you would make at least $2,000 plus every month. And that's great. If you have 500,000 to just blow out like that and just give away like that, that's freaking fantastic. Now I want to go a little bit into depth. They say no monthly fees, right? No monthly fees, but they are making some sort of money some way. Something caught my attention. I decided to bring the bar all the way up to the most amount that they actually allow me on their website to actually invest. So I decided to actually invest $1 million, theoretically, of course, and see what I would receive for $1 million. All right. So I have $1 million right here. $1 million right there. If I invest that kind of money, I would get 54,784 ounces of silver American Eagles, and that would bring me about $5,478.40 worth of monthly income. Every month, that's what I would receive. Now, if you put that towards the year, that actually come up to $65,740 for the whole entire year. All right, but let's really look at it. We're buying American Silver Eagle. Me per se, I know that I can actually buy an American Silver Eagle around $18. Sometimes you can find it cheaper, sometimes it could be a little bit more expensive, but let's just go with a roundabout number of 18. If I were to buy American Silver Eagle at $18 with $1 million, it would actually get me 55,555 ounces of American Silver Eagles. All right. Now, this number is a bit higher than this number because this one only gets me about 54,000, but this one gets me about 55,000, which leaves a difference of 771 ounces of silver that I'm missing out on this one. But if I were to buy it myself, I would get this much more versus this one. All right. And to buy 771 ounces of American Silver Eagle at $18 would actually cost me about $13,878. So theoretically, of course, this amount goes straight to the company itself. But Eli, it really doesn't matter at all because you're making $5,000 every month. You make that money back within the first couple of months. If I were to buy $1 million worth all at once, yes, it would be. But let's say I don't have $1 million, but I just say, hey, let me start off with 20,000. All right. And next year I put another 20,000, but the price of silver went up. And then next year after that, I put another 20,000, but the price of silver did go up a little bit more. And the next year after that, we went through a recession. I decided to put 20,000, but now we're in a recession. The price of silver is at $30. So I'm getting a little bit less, but this company's still making a little bit whatever they have. And I'm only making around that time like a good maybe $100 a month. But if I have $1 million now, yes, it is. I don't see nothing wrong with this right here. Even with the $13,000 that I'm giving the company, I have no problem with that because, yeah, I'm making this much. I'm making $65,000 plus a year. So I don't see no problem with it. But I do want to give my final thoughts. And my final thoughts are, if you don't hold it, if it's not in your possession, then you don't own it. All right? And a lot of people heard that before. So for me personally, I'm not a big fan of this website. I'm not going to be like, hey, you know what, I'm going to throw some money so I can get some dividends. It makes some sense. It makes some smart sense. To be honest with you, I would try it out. I would try it out. Not now, not now, of course. I would have tried it out if I had the luxury of actually having $1 million or even $500,000 that I just really don't care about. I would do it. Like, you know, it's just something, all right, cool, I have this much money, I'm more valued at $100 million. Hey, I'll take $1 million and just put it all into this and just make that extra money. Yes, that's how the rich people make their money. But at the same time, how much silver are there? right? Let's say, you know, $1 million is hard to come by nowadays, but let's say about 1 million people can actually afford that, and 1 million people does so, and then they start buying a whole bunch of silver through this company, and they have them holding it. They're making their income, yes, but at the same time, how much silver do we have out there right now? Because you know, we gotta mine this thing up. It doesn't just magically appear. But let's just say something happens, a crisis happens, and they say, hey, you know what? I want to sell all my silver. Not even sell, I want all my silver. And to be honest with you, I didn't go through the website a little bit more to actually see, do they actually send you the silver back? Or do they just give you your money back? It doesn't matter. But what if the company is going through some tough times? What if they don't have the money to pay back everybody all at once? What happens then? Are we going to be put on a minimum plan? Hey, you can only get $100,000 out a day or a month or a week or a year? Like, what kind of plan are we on? All right, so when you don't own it, you don't hold it. That's just my thoughts on it. I want to know your guys' thoughts. So comment down below. Let me know some of your thoughts. All right, but guys, that's pretty much all I have for you guys today. I want to know what your guys' thoughts is. But thank you so much. Don't forget to hit that subscribe. Don't forget to leave that thumbs up, comment down below, and have a beautiful day. And don't forget to always, always, always work and grind. Every day.